Hey everyone, and welcome to Media's Travel channel. Today we are going to see one of the most colorful houses you have ever seen in your life. So if you're interested in watching this vlog, walk with me today and see. So if you're interested, walk with me today and see how it's going on in this vlog. Let's go. Welcome to the most colorful house you will ever see in your life. Imagine if a rainbow and a house had a baby. Well, this is it. Nestled in the vibrant city of Tabriz, this place is not just a house. It's a living, breathing work of art. Let's step inside and see if your eyes can handle all this color without sunglasses. سلام خسته نباشی. The owner of this house told us that this house belonged to the Qajar dynasty and it is almost 160 years old. And they renewed it and they gather the paintings of the famous painters in this house. And this house really is amazing and beautiful. Here you can see a painting of the carpet bazaar in Tabriz, and these paintings are really amazing. This is a painting of Parvin Tesami, which is one of the famous poets in Iran. They are all famous guys. Okay, brace yourselves because the inside is like stepping into a painting. The walls are covered with intricate designs and every corner has something to grab your attention. You have got colorful rugs, handmade decorations, and even the furniture looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. I'm not sure if this is a house or a museum of happiness. This house has more personality than the most people I know. These paintings are really amazing and this house is really beautiful. Come to the other room. The paintings of this room is even more beautiful. Look at this one. It sounds really real. They are making carpets, if you can see. Persian expensive carpets. And I think this is a picture of Sattar Khan and Bagher Khan, which we visited and talked about them in our previous vlog. And this is a picture of an old guy who sells cottons and carpets. And this is also traditional bazaar of Tabriz. It's really great. And they even painted on the doors. Beautiful paintings on the doors. Now let me tell you something fascinating. The owner of this house didn't just design it. They lived their creativity here. Every piece of decor, every splash of color, and every tiny detail has their own personal touch. It's like they turned their imagination into reality and said, why stop at just a little color when you can have all of it? Honestly, I would love to meet them and ask, how do you come up with this? Because this is next level creativity.
And here is the fun part. The house is full of little surprises. Like, look at this corner. It's so full of color and patterns that you could stare at it for hours and still finding something new. And did you notice the staircase? It's not just a staircase. It's like walking up in a rainbow highway. Even the ceilings are decorated. Yes, the ceilings. The place doesn't believe in plain white walls or boring corners. Every single space has been transformed into art. But you know what makes this house even more special? The vibe. It's not just the colors, it's the energy. It feels like a place where you can't help but smile. Imagine waking up here every day. Would you ever have a bad mood? Probably not. This house feels alive, like it's telling you, hey, life is too short for boring spaces.
I heard that the king of the Iran since the Hakhamaneshi dynasty used to have long beards like this one. This is Fatali Shah. And the first person who broke this tradition was Nasseruddin Shah, who cut the beard, and you can see him with mustache. And the only person in Qajar dynasty who cut his mustache was Ahmad Shah. It was really funny. I thought it might be interesting for you to know that. Mm.
So, what do you think? Could you
Oh.
live in a house this colorful, or would it feel like too much? Personally, I would probably wake up every day thinking I'm in a cartoon, and honestly, I wouldn't mind. If you're ever in Tabriz, you have to visit this place. It's not just a house, it's a wonderful experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more colorful adventures. If you enjoy watching this vlog, don't forget. If you are interested in watching my videos, it really means a lot to me if you can like, subscribe, and share my videos. And I recently uploaded two videos about Iran nightlife and my mountain adventure, which is a video about my recent adventure in one of the mountains around Tehran. So don't forget to watch them too. Have a good day and bye.